If you're moving and you own musical instruments, you already know they need special attention. Instruments are delicate, valuable, and easily damaged, so a little preparation makes a big difference. Start by giving each instrument a quick inspection. Look for loose pieces, weak spots, or anything that might need tightening. A simple check now can prevent problems during the move. Whenever possible, pack your instrument in its original hard case. These cases are designed to fit the shape of the instrument and offer the best protection. If you do not have the original case, choose a well-padded replacement and make sure there is no empty space inside. Use soft cloth, bubble wrap, or towels to keep the instrument from shifting. Before packing, loosen the strings on guitars, violins, or other string instruments. This reduces pressure and helps prevent cracking. For brass and woodwind instruments, take them apart and wrap each piece individually so everything stays safe and secure. If you are moving a piano, it is best to hire professionals. Pianos are heavy and sensitive to movement, and trained movers know how to lift and transport them without damage. Trying to move one on your own can be risky for you and the piano. Temperature is another thing to think about. Many instruments react to extreme heat or cold, so keep them out of direct sunlight and avoid placing them in very hot or freezing spaces. During loading, make sure your instrument cases are placed upright and kept away from heavy items. You want them in a spot where they will not shift or get crushed. With a little planning and careful packing, you can protect your instruments and make sure they arrive in perfect shape. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.